Hi guys, welcome to Taste to Explore. My name is Darlene, and on today, my friends, I'm making patty melts. Now, patty melts are really super easy to make, and they are such a delicious burger. But why go out when you can make it at home, and it's going to be delicious, and you can customize the ingredients to whatever you like, because let's face it, when you at home, you can get creative in the kitchen and create it at home and make it taste 10 times better. I mean, it's simple, it's delicious, and I changed up the ingredients just a little bit, but it's still a classic and it tastes so good. So this is my take on it. I hope you guys give it a try. I know you're gonna love it, and I can't wait to eat it. So now let's begin. Guys, now let's begin. Right here I have about a pound of ground beef, good old ground beef, and this is my little spin on it. I have here 1/3 cup, that's 3 tablespoons of milk. This is what's going to tenderize and make our delicious patties to become juicy and delicious. This is what I like to use always when I make homemade burgers. I have adobo, well, why not? It is an all-purpose seasoning blend, and that's why these two make it my version. Right here I have 1 large yellow Spanish onion. You can use whatever onion you like. I have 2 tablespoons of butter, and then here I have 1 tablespoon all around of salt, garlic, and black pepper. And the way I'm gonna top it and what bread and cheese and stuff I'm gonna use, I will introduce to you those last. But now let's begin with our ground meat and our onion. Guys, I'm gonna start off with our meat. We're just gonna use adobo. Like I said, it's a seasoning blend, but you can use whatever seasoning blend you like. And I'm gonna put it according to taste. Okay, so after you finish putting the adobo or whatever seasoning you choose to use, I'm just gonna put a couple of tablespoons at a time of milk, and I'm gonna mix this through with my hands, and if it needs more milk, I will add. If not, then that's just about it. So this is just gonna, alright, so with my clean hands, as you know, it is my favorite tool in the kitchen. I'm gonna get in here and mix this through. Now, using my favorite cast iron skillet, we are going to heat this up on medium-high, get that nice and hot, because it is ready. Now we're going to put our butter. Now I'm using regular salted butter, but you can use unsalted if you like. It's really hot, as you can see. That's a good sign. Then we're going to put in our onions. This is going to sweat out and get nice and caramelized. And I'm going to season it up really good. Alrighty, look at that. Our onions develop such a wonderful golden color. We're going to remove the onions from the pan because it has did its job, and I don't want it to be too mushy. I want it to have a slight bit of texture. Okay guys, so with our clean hands, we're going to go and start forming our burgers. Want to have them thin, and you want to have it long, just so that way it can fit your bread. So make sure that you put plenty of the ground meat, because as you know, when it cooks, it shrinks. So just use your palm of your hand as a gauge, more or less to say. And then we're going to use the same pan that we had cooking our onions, because it has a lots of flavor going on there. So now let's start frying these on a medium-high and start putting in my patties. Using the same skillet that we cooked our onions in there, because there's a lot of flavor going on there. Now, right here I have some rye bread. You can use whatever bread you like, but I wanted to keep it with the classics, so this is the classic way to do this sandwich, or rather burger. So I'm just gonna spread some Thousand Island dressing. You can use whatever you want. If you want to just use ketchup, mayonnaise, you know, whatever. I'm going to put some American cheese. and I'm gonna pick out one of my patties, place it right there, and put some of my onions that I cooked up. Now this smells so good. You put as much onions as you want, okay? This is really simple. I'm gonna put one other cheese on top and close it off with the bread, and now we're going to heat this up and I'm going to show you how it looks. Alright guys, so I'm going to put just a little bit butter down on my pan. I have already been frying them up just a little bit, just so that way it doesn't stick and gives it a nice golden brown color. I'm going to place my sandwich right on top. Make sure you don't get burned. Give it a little press. And give it a little press. And you just want golden brown on both sides, maybe for a minute or two, and then I will let you know what we're gonna do next. All right guys, these patties are done. I'm gonna take them out of the stove, and I want to show you, actually I want to show you the front because it looks so good. Take a look at that. Wow, looks so divine, so divine, so divine. All right, so now I'm going to plate it and I am ready to eat. Okay guys, I just took one of my patty melts out and I am going to cut it in half just to show you how it looks in the middle, making sure that everything got cut through. And check this out. Oh, look how delicious and juicy. Alright guys, it is time to do a taste test. And I am starving like Marvin, let me tell you. Now, these, my friends, are very, very good, man. You have to give this a try. Look how juicy that is. Hello. That's juice. Oop, juice dripping. I mean, it's delicious. I mean, what can I say? Oh, it is perfection in every bite. Wow, I haven't ate this in such a long time. So you know, this is everything right now. Truly, my friends, this is really easy, super flavorful. Make this at home, and you can follow my same techniques or use whatever condiments and however you want to put it, whatever kind of bread, whatever kind of cheese. But this right here, this is money. This is on the money. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm going to have my dinner now. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Follow me on my social media sites. Don't forget to put the bell, click onto the bell so you will see and be notified when I post up my next video. Leave me a comment below in whatever it is that you want me to make, and I will leave everything that I made here in the description box below, and I will see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.